Today, we delve into the life of a man who has made a mark in the world of investments, Nelson Peltz. Born in Brooklyn, New York, Peltz was a man of modest beginnings, but with an unquenchable thirst for success. His journey began with an education at the prestigious Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, where he honed the skills that would later make him a titan of Wall Street. With a keen eye for business, Peltz made his first venture into the world of investments with a small company that dealt in frozen foods. This humble initiative, while seemingly inconsequential, was the springboard that launched him into a career that would shape the investment landscape. It was through this venture that Peltz discovered his knack for identifying potential in struggling businesses, a talent that would serve as the cornerstone of his success. From humble beginnings, Nelson Peltz built his empire, one investment at a time. 2005 marked a significant year in Peltz's life, the founding of Trian Fund Management. This year saw the birth of a financial institution that would soon become a major player in the world of investments. Trian Fund Management was born out of Peltz's vision to create a platform where he could leverage his expertise and strategic approach to generate substantial returns for the fund's investors. In the early years, Trian Fund Management was a relatively small firm. But Peltz, with his decades of experience in the corporate world, knew how to navigate the volatile waves of the financial market. He built a strong team around him, fostering a culture of relentless pursuit of excellence and strategic thinking. Under his leadership, Trian Fund Management began to focus on investing in undervalued and underperforming companies. Peltz's strategy was simple yet effective. He believed in the power of active engagement with the companies they invested in, working closely with management teams to improve operational efficiency and enhance shareholder value. This approach proved to be a winning formula. Within a few short years, Trian Fund Management started to see significant growth, both in terms of assets under management and the number of successful investments. It wasn't long before the firm carved out a reputation for itself as a significant player in the investment world. Under Peltz's stewardship, Trian Fund Management grew into a powerhouse in the investment world. Indeed, Peltz's strategic approach and leadership proved critical in shaping the firm's trajectory and success. Nelson Peltz is not just an investor but an activist investor, a role that has earned him both admiration and criticism. Peltz's approach to investing is far from passive. His activist campaigns have spanned across numerous companies, with varying outcomes. One of the most notable is his involvement with the food giant Heinz. Peltz pushed for changes in the company's strategy, which ultimately led to its merger with Kraft, creating one of the largest food and beverage companies in the world. Then there's his campaign with Procter & Gamble, one of the most expensive in activist history. Peltz advocated for a leaner corporate structure to promote growth. Though initially met with resistance, Peltz was eventually granted a seat on the board, marking a significant victory for activist investors. But how does Peltz select these investment targets? His philosophy is underpinned by a belief in the potential for operational improvements. He targets underperforming companies with strong brand portfolios, believing that, with the right strategies, these companies can realize their true value. Peltz doesn't just invest in these companies, he often engages with their boards, pushing for strategic shifts. This hands-on approach is a trademark of his style as an activist investor. He's not afraid to shake things up, to challenge the status quo, and that's what sets him apart. However, this approach is not without its critics. Some argue that his strategies are short-termist, prioritizing quick returns over long-term stability. Others say that his aggressive tactics can create tension within the companies he targets. Despite these criticisms, Peltz remains undeterred. His track record speaks for itself. His strategies have often led to significant increases in shareholder value, and his influence has brought about substantial changes within the companies he invests in. His success as an activist investor has made him one of the most influential figures in the world of finance. Despite the controversial nature of activist investing, Peltz's strategies have proven successful, earning him a spot among the world's top investors. Peltz's influence extends beyond the boardroom and into the community. Nelson Peltz is not just an investment titan, he's also a committed philanthropist. He has given generously to numerous causes, from education and healthcare to arts and culture. His belief in giving back to society is deeply embedded in his philosophy, showing that for him, success is not just about financial gain, but also about making a positive impact on the world. In terms of corporate governance, Peltz is a pioneer. His hands-on approach and active engagement on the boards of companies he invests in have set a new standard in the industry. He believes in accountability, transparency, and the power of constructive dialogue to drive change and improve performance. When it comes to market trends, Peltz is forward-thinking. He's always got his finger on the pulse, identifying and capitalizing on trends before they become mainstream. He's not afraid to challenge the status quo and often goes against the grain to find investment opportunities that others overlook. His knack for seeing the bigger picture and his ability to understand and navigate complex market dynamics are part of what makes him such a successful investor. A titan in the investment world, a philanthropist at heart, and a visionary in corporate governance, Nelson Peltz continues to shape the future of investing. His far-reaching influence and innovative approach will continue to leave an indelible mark on the investment landscape. Nelson Peltz's journey is a testament to his resilience, strategic foresight, and commitment to creating value. Born from humble beginnings, Peltz swiftly rose to prominence, founding Trian Fund Management and setting a new standard for activist investing. His career is an illustrious tapestry of successful campaigns, bold investments, and astute market insights. Peltz's net worth is estimated at over $1 billion, a testament to his financial acumen and business savvy. Trian Fund Management, under his stewardship, manages combined assets totaling in the tens of billions, a testament to his influence and credibility in the financial sector. His investment philosophy, grounded in rigorous analysis and a commitment to operational excellence, has been the cornerstone of his success. It's not just about the numbers with Peltz, it's about the people, the companies, and the value they create. As he continues to navigate the complex world of investments, Nelson Peltz's legacy remains etched in the annals of finance history.